Well, I'm going to add two animations. The first one is going to be a start animation, a default state for the node. So this is one we're going to set to autoplay at the start of the game. And the point of this one is just to reset our color rectangle here. So we're going to select the color rectangle and press the key icon next to color so that we have a key for our start color. And we're also going to go under the visibility tab and ensure that at first the node is invisible. That way it's not going to draw at all in the game, which can optimize rendering performances, especially on low-end mobile devices. For the anecdote, if you make a node visible and it's fully transparent, the graphics card still has to process every pixel of it, so the big color rectangle area would fully render, even though you can't see anything on screen. So make sure that the key on visible here has a value of off in this case. And I'm going to set the animation to be 0 seconds long, so that it just plays, sets the values, and it's done. Now we're going to go to the animation menu and duplicate our animation. Then we're going to go to that menu again to rename our copy of the start animation and call this one fade in. That fade in animation is going to set the node to be visible, so we can select the visible key here and set the value to on. Then we're going to lengthen the animation, make it 0.8 seconds, for example, or let's say 1 second to have a whole number. I will zoom in a little bit using the slider at the bottom of the screen and go to the end of the timeline, select my first color keyframe here, right-click in the timeline and insert a key. Then I want to select the color at the end of the animation, click the field next to value, and make it fully opaque. You can see now we have a gradient that goes from fully transparent to pure black. And this is going to be our fade-in effect. We are going to change scene. We are going to change the level when we touch our Portal 2D. This will trigger the play of this fade-in animation, and when the animation is done, it's going to load the next level with another Portal 2D, for example, and it will automatically play the start animation of our Portal 2D, which will make the color rectangle invisible again.